My name is Theo Brewington, board member of the House of Tuscaloosa. We are a nonprofit literacy center and a used bookstore on the campus of Stillman College. We're currently in a brick and mortar campaign to restore a house on campus. Last month, we put on a brand new roof, and currently we are working on all electrical being done. Our next step is to get 2 new HVAC units installed in the house. To do this, the total cost will be $15,000, and we're asking for your help. Donations can be made on our website at thehousetuscaloosa.org or via Venmo or Cash App. There are no administrative fees from your donation. 100% of your donation goes to our brick and mortar campaign. I just want to say thank you in advance for your help, and God bless.